subscribe with notifications on.
I want him to say this in front of us.
I promise you, because it makes
He's right.
sense.
He's right.
It makes
He's
so
saying
much sense.
people are cheating too much because of inferiority of complex, meaning that maybe someone doesn't trust himself in a relationship. No, he thinks that maybe the other partner is cheating, and so he decides to cheat. Yeah, but
Sir,
okay.
I'm taking my content.
Okay.
Oh, ndiyijongisa kum Nkosi yam.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine now.
No, ndiyijongise kum. I made a mistake.
Okay.
Okay, but uthi ingxaki inoba yintoni? Why is people doing this?
Doesn't
Why are
matter
they
now,
afraid
Faith.
to get married? Why is so much cheating in marriage? What is going on? Yeah.
Bandithetha wena for example ingathembi and assume wona uyathandana somehow understand then end up cheat kanti wena doing nothing but just I don't trust, the lack of trust and insecurity.
Yeah, ne.
So,
Yeah.
but what do you think? What is it that you think we can do to trust each other? What is it? How can we test each other in this relationship, in a marriage? The other partner doesn't cheat.
Transparent, transparent.
Transparent.
Yes, everything. Umuntu wakumazi ungakho nto mhlawumbe for example nale nto ukuthi ifowuni private uba ifowuni yam nami yam basihlele ekhawushini lasibele TV kanjena elubize efowunini yakho engqondweni yam ukuthi eish abangibantu aserious ngefowunini. Why? Obviously lona izawudevelop insecurities ungathemba.
Exactly.
But
Exactly.
if God phone I know everything asefowuni yakho, now you know everything. You know my password and everything else. And no problem. No wasishiya pha ekhala David nginikelo phone uyayazi bangibani. Secret password njengazo.
No, it's making sense.
Wow, it makes
It's
sense.
making
Buti, when
sense.
are you married?
I'm not married, but I'm in a serious relationship.
Wow, it's going well, ne?
Yeah, very well.
Because I can
No,
hear
you've
according
got-
to the way you speak, your sense of human, like yeah. I hope I'm wishing that your relationship yako goes to
The level that we need it to be.
We are encouraging you, get married because you've got it all. You understand, you know how it's supposed to be.
Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah.
I hope you're looking forward to that.
I'm looking forward to that.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. The only advice I can give to you is a foundation. Make sure you've got a foundation. Because your relationship yako doesn't depend on the two of you, but your foundation. Where do you rely on? Do you understand? For example, now I rely on Jesus. And it's working for me. I'm a married woman. I've been married now for 14 years. And it's working for me. My foundation is working for me. Whenever I feel like I don't trust my husband, I kneel down and tell God, why don't I trust him? You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
No, well done, my man. Well done.
I'm
well
so
done.
excited to have met someone like you with so much positive
Exactly. Mindset.
Opinions,
Exactly.
mindset, you know. Thank you so much. But you said your name is?
My name is Olwet.
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 From where, Olwet?
Actually, I'm from Kailash.
From
From
Khayelitsha.
Khayelitsha. I wish all of the guys can be like this, babe. I wish all the guys can be like this. Yeah, maybe the
He's
brother.
he's in a very serious relationship, guys. So don't come for him, okay?
Yeah, he's taken. He's taken
sorted,
already.
He's sorted.
He's a focused man.
See, if you are watching this video and you are Olwet's girlfriend, wife to be, just know you are wife to be. Carry yourself very well, Sissy, okay? You are doing very well so far. Well done. Thank you.
No, thank you so much, my man. We are going to give the link, and then later tonight you can watch it with your partner when you
with
get
your
home.
spouse.
Yeah.
Can I give
YouTube.
you my number so that-
No, I
It's
can
a
do it
YouTube.
now. Do you have a phone?
No, I do, but
Yeah.
Okay, Ethan.
Do you have a? Okay. Do you have a phone? You don't have a phone?
Anyone with a phone?
get my phone.
Yeah, get your phone so we can give you a link at least. Baba.
Nanko omunye othile.
Unayo impendulo?
Oh, uyachita lo baba.
Awufuna uthetha?
Akashiti lo.
Awufuna uthetha? But that
Akashiti lo akashiti
Can I
lo.
just say-
Yo,
Hayi, ngizothetha naye.
No, baba.
Angeze ungabi nayo
Baba,
ngothetha.
baba, awunamfazi.
Amava wakho azonceda abanye abantu.
Awunamfazi baba.
Angina.
Awuzovela ku YouTube. Awunamfazi baba.
but kaloku ii-views zakho zinganceda abanye abantu.
Yeah, your experience.
Because into siyibuzayo apha kutheni abantu bengafuna utshata ngoku be-discourage about umtshato, and futhi kutheni why kubantu betshita kangaka kwenzeka ntoni? Kwenzeka ntoni? Why abantu bangayihloniphi imitshato yabo?
No,
Kwenzeka
just go
ntoni?
to
Why
WhatsApp.
betshita
Go to
so?
WhatsApp so I can put.
That's-
Yeah, just send yourself a message. Yourself a message to anyone.
mamela
To anyone. I want to give you the link.
beka iproblem yoba ndiyatshita ne
Yeah.
mna
Can send to anyone.
andinamfazi ne
Mhm.
yohlukana
Okay, let me send it to you.
Yeah.
well nabo abantwana
Yeah, that's right.
kodwa ke
Say,
abanye ke
Dukes,
nabafuna
can you just type it
ukuyaqala
down?
abanye ke nabafumana so emacaleni but ke ngoku ndihlalele alone andinamfazi and andimfuni umfazi uyaqonda
Yeah.
because ndihlalela alone and because ndipholile ngendlela endihleli
When you get to
ngayo yabo
YouTube,
Yeah,
search for that name.
mamele unkulunkulu wam
Yeah, Dukes
Okay,
first time.
okay.
Jesus wam usebenza
And then you will see tonight, you'll see your video there. There will be a lot of people that are going to interview. You'll also appear. Yeah, thank you so much.
stress ungabi namali ungabi nanto kufuneka ucingana nento zemzi wakho naye futhi yabona yenze too much stress laa nto
So wena
Yeah.
tata awujoli futhi awunamfazi futhi awufuni ujola ngoba you have your Jesus on your side. Jesus' love is enough for you.
Yes.
You are sorted.
good
Glad to hear.
yes
Glad to
Yes.
hear.
Yeah.
So, but,
I just like the fact that we met you
because
and
umtshato une-problem.
we met you and when you rely on Jesus.
that's right
You rely on Jesus. You are done with everything.
very
You
well.
just rely on Jesus.
That's right.
Wow, I love that.
That's
I love that. But the fact that you don't want to get married anymore, it does not mean that there's something wrong with marriage, right?
no I don't want anymore to marry again no
Okay, but for someone who's watching right now, do you think they can get married? And if they do get married, what advice can you give them?
Good question.
yeah you see man because like ngiyayibeka njani sentsho umuntu ipartner sometimes ovana nayo kanje othandana naye sentsho uba ufake esinye istress yaqonda awukwazi ucamanga ngonkulunkulu awukwazi ucamanga ngento zakho uyabona so bangi-stress too much ngiyayibona into yokuthandana
But Tata, what do you say to me who is married now for 14 years?
uyabona ke wena uhleliyo
How do I deal with those stresses?
no umtshato uyathandazela you must
Okay.
pray always thandaze wena nowakwakho nithandaze ukuthi umtshato wani uhleli uthini uhleli
Hlala
alright.
uqinile.
Yes uyabona very
Siyabulela tata.
Yeah,
That's a very good
nithandaze
advice.
nicela unkulunkulu emtshatweni ukuthi nithini nimanyane because yabona thina from this time kweli xesha sentsho kule age
Yeah.
hayi andisajonganga uba ndingaphinde nditshate
It's understood, Tata. It's understood.
uyaqonda
Hold on to Jesus.
good
Amen.
nakwakho umntu yes nakwakho umntu emanditshate nayo unkulunkulu
Jesus.
yes very
Jesus
Amen.
all the way.
Amen.
Jesus
I like
all
that.
the
That
way.
is
Amen.
my father. My
Jesus
father.
all the way.
Jesus, yes.
Amen.
Jesus all the way.
Amen.
So those who are not married, who are single out there, they must just hold on to Jesus.
You could. Yes.
But now, Baba, I've got a question for you. I want to find out from you, ne? Guti, what is the cause? Why abantu bachita these days emshatweni yabo? Why bachita?
No, i-problem ndingayithi mna because ungachita sometimes kube mhlawumbi uabuseke apha endlini unkosikazi between wena nonkosikazi yaqona mhlawumbi okanye omnye akamnika imali sometimes omnye akomnye akamonelisi you know so ungathi utshite uphume ngaphandle usube mhlawumbi ikhona iproblem phi inside your house
Ma uthi akamanelisi njani baba? Like how?
like umzekelo yabona ngoku umtshato okhoyo ufuna uba always unkosikazi umnika imali abe nemali once sometimes uphelelwe ngumsebenzi wena ungaphangeli nayo ungaphangeli loo nto izawuqala ukuthi ubone nayo ukuthi uthando belungene emnyango ngoku bekutshata kodwa ngoxa sewuphela umsebenzi ungapheli lo mnye bona uba uvese into omnye no anohlala nendoda engenamali no imenze ngokulaa nto athini alakaze ngaphandle
So meaning these days marriage is based on financials, on money.
ndingatsho kwimizi emininzi you know
Yo, then it's a problem.
kwimizi emininzi
Then it's a serious
uyibone uba
problem.
umntu uba indoda ayinamali akafuni ukuhlala nayo ufuna indoda enemali
Inemali.
yes yeah
But ke baba, my question is that
Imisebenzi ayikho.
my question is that are you married to a bank or are you married to a husband? Because if you want ufuna imali, that means wena ufuna umshado, wena ufuna bank. You're looking for a bank.